And we're live for lesson 18. Everyone can go ahead and open up their lesson 18 quiz.
Yep. There are 20 questions.
But only 18. And
we will need our normal probability app.
great. Okay. And fill out 1 and 2 accordingly. Question 3, while you were required to work together on this quiz, each member of the group blah, blah, blah. And for the next 9 questions, we will review the PCC tasting study with different data. Out of 70 females in the sample, 52 can taste PTC. Out of 59 males in the sample, 42 can taste PTC. Please use the data presented here. Let P1 be the proportion of females in the population who can taste it. P2, the proportion of males of population who can taste it. The research for the study is given here. Is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different from the proportion of males who can taste PTC? Use the data and fill the work.
So we are using the numbers 52 out of 70 and 42 out of 59.
For P2.
Correct.
Yes.
That makes sense, right? The female yeses and the male yeses?
Yeah.
Okay. Or is it out of 129?
No, because I think we're finding
They're
P hat
separate.
1.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
We're finding the P hat 1, so I think it's.
Oh, okay. Sweet. So, wait, so is it just 52 out of 70?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's not too bad.
Well, then the next one we'll find P hat 2.
So that's 0.743.
Yeah, that's what I got.
All right. And then we do P2. P hat 2, I should say. And
0.712.
Yep.
Okay. And I can start keeping the answer column. So question 3.743. Okay. Somebody want to read question 5?
I can read it.
Okay.
Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? I'm going to say A.
I think it's the other one. Wait, yep, it is A. See, that always confuses me when they use the P's in this one. Because P hat is the actual thing you're working with, but P is the value. And I always forget that.
Yeah, it's confusing.
Cool.
Okay, so A.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And Lydia, do you want to read question 6?
Sure. Create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. Input your answers for the point estimate, margin of error, lower bound, and upper bound. What is a point estimate for this 95% confidence interval?
So point estimate is
So that would be the
right?
P hat 1 minus P hat 2?
Yeah, so that would just be 52 minus 42, which is 10, right? Wait. Is it the P hat minus the P hat? I thought it was just P.
I think it's the 0.743 minus 0.712.
I got 0.031.
Yep.
Yep.
You guys, is that, we have to do anything with the 95% confidence interval or anything?
I don't think we have to yet.
Okay.
Because this is just the point estimate, I think.
Okay.
So this is the average.
Then we do margin of error and then lower bound and then upper bound.
Or the average P hat is the average P hat.
Okay.
And then we have to do margin of error.
That's a long one.
Yeah. That's everything that's left or right to critical value, right?
So we just found the first number, so we'll use the 0.031 minus or plus the yada yada yada. We'll use the 1.96, or wait.
Well, did you guys look at that that Excel table that does the two proportions?
Yeah. I did, and I'm using it to answer these questions because I can't do
Same.
I can't do it by hand.
The math problem like the long way, and
I can do it the long way too.
Well, and I was getting a different answer, like by like 0.12 or something, like because I wasn't using probably all the decimals or something.
Yeah, I did notice that in the homework. If you rounded, that it would give you like a whole bunch of different.
Yeah, I would use like 6 decimal places, and I would still get like 0.12 off. So.
That's weird.
Yeah, that's why it took me forever doing the homework, because I use all the decimal places, so it takes a really long time to plug it all in.
Yeah. And I was like, what is going on? What's wrong with me? Okay.
I can't find that Excel thing.
So it helped me a ton, so I'm gonna help you find it. Help you. I think it's in the textbook. Go to the text.
Oh, I just found it.
Yeah.
We're good. Okay, so how do you use this thing?
So go to the tab at the bottom. See how it says 1 proportion and 2 proportion?
So go to the 2 proportions 1.
And then submit the X1 and the N1 accordingly. So it's going to go 52, 70, 42, 59. At a confidence level of 0.95.
Wait, is the Z the 1.95 or 1.96?
The Z. 1.96.
Okay, cool.
And then for the type of test, Lydia, on the Excel,
I put not
does not
different. Or yeah, it's not that it's different. So it's A. So it's A, right? On number 5.
Yeah, 5 is A, yeah. But I was just wondering on the Excel sheet. Okay, keep going.
For number, did you guys just did you guys get 0.4567 for the margin of error? Or are you guys not done yet?
I'm not done yet. Does this sheet doesn't give us the margin of error, does it?
Yeah.
It says that everything to the right of plus and minus is the margin of error. So if you look at the formula for confidence interval, after the plus and minus is the critical value, Z, and then square root, all that.
Yeah. So she's just saying we have to do that by hand.
Okay.
But it does the...
Yeah, because it's not in the
whole
spreadsheet.
square root section that's after Z, that's the margin of error?
Yeah.
That's what it says in the notes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So starting at the Z, the critical value, which is 1.96.
I'm done, but I want to make sure it's calculated correctly because I did it by hand.
Yeah. We will just... I'm sure you're right, but we can just check it just in case.
I'm getting undefined for some reason.
It's negative.
So Laura, did you plug in 1.96 times square root of 52 parentheses 1 minus 52 close parentheses divided by 70?
Nope. I put p hat in, so the 0.743, not the p.
What did you say you got, Laura?
0.4567-ish.
Okay, I must have done something wrong, but I got somewhere similar to that, but not
Maybe
quite.
I did something wrong. I don't know.
I can check it too.
Olivia, make sure that you're putting in p hat and not just p for under the square root.
Oh, okay.
That's probably where it is that you're messing up on that.
Yeah. Thank you. Let me
Yep.
try again.
So it's
I messed
just
up on
the
that
square
myself.
root section, right?
Yeah, the square root section is the margin of error.
Okay.
Because I honestly don't know if it's right. Like, I think I did all the numbers right in my calculator, but you never know. But I got it right on the homework, so I think it's right. But we'll see.
So just to verify that I'm putting in the right numbers, which one is N1 and which one is N2?
N1 is 70, N2 is 59,
Okay.
I believe.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you put the p hats in, so p hat 1 is 0.743, p hat 2 is 0.712.
Mm-hmm. I put in all of the decimal places.
Right. I'm getting 0.0779.
I don't have that one.
Sorry, I'm doing it on my slow calculator. I should just do it on the one you guys recommended, but
So one of us can do it by reading and see what we get. And then mine might be a little different, but mine would be precise if it's close enough.
I'm getting an error. I'm plugging in 1.96 times square root of 0.43, and then 1 minus.
no, it's 0.743.
Yeah. So
Oh.
0.743.
Oh, okay.
And then 1 minus 0.743 divided by 70 plus 0.712.
Did you divide by n?
Yeah, she said divided by 70.
Oh, she did?
And then the next one is plus 0.712, and then times or parentheses 1 minus 0.712 divided by 59. Is that right?
Yeah.
Do you have to add 2 to both of the ends, though?
At the what?
Don't you have to do plus 2 to N1 and N2?
Why?
Because on the square rooted section of the confidence interval equation, it says divided by N1 plus 2 and then divided by N2 plus 2.
My equation doesn't say that.
Yeah, mine doesn't either, but maybe I'm looking at the wrong spot.
Because you said it's the square rooted section of the confidence interval, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing the confidence interval.
Well, didn't you say it was just the square rooted section of that though?
But I just have N1. They aren't added to anything on the bottom.
I'm not even finding a margin of error equation after. I'm just confused.
It's down in section
17? I thought it was in lesson 17.
All the way down to 3. 3 confidence intervals managing population. It has a picture, it has a little chart, and then there's this parenthesis.
That's different than the one I put above.
I don't know. This one I'm using. Maybe they had a different one. That was the Z-score.
I got it from the tutoring, or not the tutoring, from the videos. The margin of error.
So, Lydia, the one you're using, is it the +2 N1 +2 or no?
I'm using he had one parentheses 1 minus p had 1 divided by n1 plus p had 2 parentheses 1 minus p had 2 p had 2 divided by n2.
That's right. That's what I have.
Okay, Laura, what was your final answer that you got on that one?
For the margin of error, I got 457.
Yeah, that's not what I got. I got 0.218.
Say your answer again.
Me?
Yeah, Laura.
0.457.
I took away my +2 on both of them and I still didn't get that.
Did you got that?
I took away the +2 on both of them and I still didn't get that.
What did you get?
I got 0.0788.
Why are we all so off?
I wish you all had. But we have a bit similar calculator that we share and calculate. Because I'm pretty sure mine's right. Like, I'm almost positive, but I don't know how to explain it to you guys without having a calculator like mine.
Right.
So it's p hat 1 times 1 minus p hat 1 over n1.
Yep.
Then plus p hat 2 times 1 times p hat 2 over n2. And that's all squared. Square rooted.
Yep. Is everything parentheses?
Yep. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Are you guys using Desmos? I'm gonna look up Desmos.
I'm gonna start doing Desmos too.
How do you use it?
Well, because that thing doesn't give us a margin of error.
Margin of error doesn't. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna get. killed it. Where is it? Come here. Sorry, this might take a while. What I want? Yes. No. Stay together, my friend. I don't know how to keep it all under the square root.
I just keep getting
It doesn't give me the answer at all.
Are you guys multiplying it by 1.96?
I haven't multiplied it yet.
Aren't you supposed to?
I am.
Don't multiply it yet.
Why?
Because we're just getting the margin of error, not the
Yeah, but it starts after
The margin of error is the star times.
minus.
Yeah.
How do you get square root? Root of oh no. How do we type this all?
Am I wrong? Aren't you supposed to do the margin of error equation includes the 1.96?
That's what it says.
Yeah.
Are you sure the margin of error includes that?
The only equation I'm finding from margin of error is the last lesson. It doesn't include like the N1 and N2 and all that stuff. I don't know. If I do multiply it by that, I get 0.44.
How do you guys get the answer? They don't even let me get it.
I got 0.106. I'm not sure if I got that right.
Where do you see the answer?
Are you trying to do it in a
No one does know.
It should just get it under it.
Oh, I see it. That is a different number.
The only thing you have to remember in Desmos is you can't add the square root until after you type it all out. Sometimes it gives you the answer.
Wait, so we want to get the answer first.
Wait, you don't square root the answer. You just type out everything, And then you highlight the portion that you want to do the square root thing. And then you click on it. It doesn't always give you a different answer, but sometimes it does. I've noticed.
Hmm.
Are you guys multiplying it by 1.96 or not?
I just did. And I got 0.1544.
So it would be 0.1454.
That's what I got, but I'm getting a different answer than I was. I don't know.
Which calculator did you use?
Desmos.
I got.
So wait, did you guys end up getting 0.895?
Say that again.
0.895.
No.
No.
No?
Nope.
I
got, before multiplying it by 1.96, I got 0.111200368. And then when I multiply it by 1.96, I get 0.218. And I got that both times.
Because after I multiplied mine by 1.96, I got 0.895.
Oh my gosh, this is so frustrating.
Should we come back to this one?
Yeah.
Keep going.
And we can each, for the first attempt, we can each put what we got and see if any of us get it.
I like that. So let's just put what we have.
So are we multiplying by 1.96 then?
That's what I have as the
I'm pretty sure you need to.
equation. Yeah.
I'll look.
That's what the 95% margin of error is it's the 1.96 or confidence interval. Like,
I just don't understand why the structure doesn't show us the margin of error.
wait a minute. From this chart, can we find it? Because
no, you can't. It's not there.
But if we do the confidence interval.
Oh yeah, we have the confidence interval, which is the lower bound and upper bound.
So can't we find the margin of error from that by using it in the equation?
I'm not sure.
I think we can.
Wait, so we all agree the margin of error is multiplied by the 1.96.
Yeah.
Cool.
You guys, I
So
think.
should we move on?
Well, yeah, but I think from the chart that we have, the Excel chart, I think we can find the margin of error because we have the confidence interval and the equation, and we can just fill it in.
What did you guys get for the confidence interval?
Negative 0.123
and 0.185.
Yeah.
How'd you find that?
That's in the Excel.
In the spreadsheet.
How'd you get? Okay, did you get the spreadsheet from the quiz?
No, it's from the textbook.
So you're using the textbook stuff. That's the same deficit.
It's a spreadsheet that changes. You can fill in your answers, and it makes your life a million times easier. I didn't find it out until after the homework.
Where'd you find that at?
So go to the textbook and lesson, I think it's lesson 17 or 16.
I think it might have been 18 as well.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
I see it.
Discovery section. I didn't know about this until today. I don't know why.
Mine only shows it in the SPS.
It's weird because it's an XLS document.
Where on the textbook?
Go to lesson 18.
Very bottom.
Very bottom. And the last bullet point says, you will use the Excel spreadsheet to perform blah, blah, blah.
Okay. Like me. Mine's not opening Excel file at all.
Do you have Excel?
I do.
It should bring you to like a help page, and then you just click on that bottom link.
Mine didn't do that.
But it's an SPSS one.
It says SPSS.XLSX.
Oh, I see. Then you have to plug in the number.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So these will only find one of the keys at a time.
No. Oh, sorry. So go to the bottom and on the tabs, click to proportion.
Okay. The X is the 52. It won't let me change the number.
Really?
Oh, there it is.
So I can read it to you. So X1, 52. N1, 70. X2, 42. N2, 59.
But this is for a P1 is less than P2.
You just change it.
You drop down
It
the
won't affect it. And where are you guys seeing the answer pop out? Oh, there it is. Wow. Okay. But we still don't know the margin of error.
No, but I'm wondering, do you think we could find the margin of error with the upper and lower?
How are we getting this calculators?
Oh, yeah. Okay, to find the margin of error, you subtract 0.85 minus negative 0.123
divided by 2. Ah.
How? Where?
So go to the upper bound, 0.185 minus negative 0.123 divided by 2.
Oh.
That's how we previously found it. Like in the other chapters.
So that will be for number 7.
Did you guys get 0.154?
No, I got 0.308.
Well, you have to divide by 2, don't you?
Oh, right.
So it's 0.185 minus 0.123 divided by 2.
It's a negative.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be addition.
So 0.154.
154.
So none of us got that.
No.
I got 0.218.
Someone got it because I wrote all the answers. I just don't remember. But I wrote.
Oh, I got that.
Who got that?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah, Katie.
Awesome. Very good.
And I thought I was wrong this time.
That's much easier. Huh?
Yeah, it is.
Well,
Now we have to find the score, which is on the Excel sheet. Right?
what was that?
The 0.394.
That's the Z value. And then P value 0.693. So we failed to reject.
So fail to reject the null. It's A.
We did it.
Only took us long enough.
Seriously. Well, hopefully that'll help us on the test. None of us will ever forget that.
Yeah, that's true.
Number 11. Which of the following statements best describes the outcomes of the study? So we have insufficient evidence.
So D.
Yeah.
Okay, new stuff.
Are we all
Want me to read it or read it? Because she's the less.
Sorry, say that again.
Can you read it? Because you're the least echoey.
Oh, sure. Love to. For the next 9 questions, we'll review the mortality rates and day of admission heart attack study with different data. Out of 118,519 people who had a heart attack during a weekday, 16,713 died. Out of 42,447 people that had a heart attack on the weekend, 6,155 had died. Please use the data presented here. Let P1 be the proportion of... Oh, go ahead. So P1 is the proportion of patients who had a heart attack on a weekday.
So are they survived or dead? We're using the dead ones. That sounds rude.
Yeah, and it has the kind of the chart right there. Died is the X and total is the N.
Weekdays and one.
Okay, so X1 is the 16.
Let P1 who had a heart attack on the weekday.
Yeah.
Then the next N1 is 118519.
Yeah.
Then X2 is 6455. And N2 is 42447. Yay.
Yay.
Oh, we have to test
We
these.
have to test these.
So, I'm sorry. The requirement.
Or does it already
Or
give
does
it
it
to
already
us?
give it to us?
Does it say the
Does it say
conditions
the
are
conditions
okay?
are
We have
okay?
to do it
We have to
ourselves?
do it ourselves.
Well, on the chart,
Well, on the chart,
well, I guess it
well,
doesn't.
I guess it
Well,
doesn't.
yeah, it does.
Well, yeah, it does.
It shows you the
It shows you the check
requirements thing.
requirements thing.
So are they all greater than 2?
So is this,
So is this
what kind of a test is it? Is it just that P1 is not equal to P2? So it's N1 times P hat 1 greater or equal to 10. And then for the other one is N1 times 1 minus P1 greater or equal to 2. And then the same thing for N2.
I'm almost done,
I'm
guys.
almost done, guys.
They're all good.
They're all good.
Oh, you're fast.
Oh, you're fast.
12 is A.
So what kind of
So
a
what
test
kind of a
is
test
it?
is it, Dell?
Is it B?
It should be
It
B,
should be B,
but
but
it doesn't say
it doesn't
less
say
than or
less
greater
than or
than.
greater than.
So it should be
So
B.
it should be B.
We're not testing P hat. We're just testing P.
P1
P1
is
is
0.141.
0.141.
Yep.
Yep.
That's 14.
That's 14.
0.145?
15.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
145?
145.
Yeah.
I have 141.
I have 141.
Oh, that's for P1.
Oh, that's for P1.
P hat 2 is 1.145.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
Wait,
is it 0.141
is it
or
141 or
145?
145?
P hat 1
1
is
is
0.141.
141.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then,
Okay.
sorry, and then P hat 2 for question 15 is 0.145.
1.52.
0.52.
1.145.
0.152.
Oh, are we on the right? Are we on the same question?
15?
15.
Mine says 0.145.
Mine says 0.145.
Yeah, that's what mine says.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Let's double check our
Let's double check
charts.
our charts.
Okay. So
Weekday
Weekday
is
is
X1, right?
X1, right?
yes.
So
So
16.76.
16.76.
I mean,
not
16,
16, 16.
Oh, I see what I did
I see
wrong.
what I did wrong.
That's weird.
That's weird.
Too many numbers.
But
But
you still
you
got the
still
same
got
answer,
the same answer,
supposedly.
supposedly.
So go through your X1 and N1. I'm going to read it down. Okay, let's see if we all
I got it. I figured out what was wrong.
Oh.
And so
Oh,
The
you
only thing
figured
I
out, Laura?
yeah, the only thing that's
the only
different
thing that's
is
different is
one of them, and it
one
only
of them
changed
only
to hat
changed
two,
to hat 2,
which was weird.
which was weird.
Well, that's just because it was probably just N2 and X2.
Mhm.
So is everybody on question 16 now?
Yes. Yes.
So we just have negative 2.020.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Question 17. Given the z-scores from the last question, which should you shade, the left or the right of the z-score for the p-value? To the left.
Left. Left.
Left.
Left.
Okay. Question 18. What is the p-value for this test? 0.043.
Are we shading both
Are we
sides?
saying both sides?
No, just one.
No, just one.
So then it would be
So then it would be
0.021
0.021
or
or
0.023.
0.023.
Oh.
Oh, we have
Oh,
to
we
change
have to
that.
change
Up
that.
there,
Up there,
the type of
the
test.
type of test.
It would be
It would be
P1
P1
less.
less.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Less than P2.
Less than P2.
Oh, that's tricky.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
So sorry.
Sorry.
So are you
So are
on the
you on the
spreadsheet?
spreadsheet?
Yeah.
Where it says type
Where
of
it says
test?
type of test?
Yes.
Did you
Yes.
put P1
Did you put P1
less than P2?
less than P2?
I will.
I will.
Thought it was supposed to be
Thought it was
equal.
supposed to be equal.
That's what we put
That's what we
earlier.
put earlier.
Just to get the p-value split in half.
Oh, what did you pick
What
for
did you
13?
pick for 13?
13, we'd put B as in boy.
Oh, not equal?
Oh, not equal?
Because it didn't really
It
say.
didn't really say, did it?
What if it was
What
less
if it
than?
was less than?
But see, for
Let's see,
question
for
17,
question 17,
we
we picked
left.
left.
Right. Left skew.
Left skew.
Or not left,
Or
sorry.
not left, sorry, not left skew.
Shade left.
Shade left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just because that's the
But that's because
But
it's
that's because it's taken.
in the original
In
problem.
the original problem,
it's left-tailed or right-tailed.
or right-tailed.
That's why I'm
shading
shading both sides, so it's confusing to me.
Should try doing the normal probability of it.
So should we do?
Should we do equal?
I think it should be
Oh, it is.
0.02.
Oh, it is.
0.022.
It says, is the
It says,
proportion of
is the
patients
proportion
who
of
have a heart
patients who
attack
have
and
a
are
heart
admitted
attack
to the
and are
hospital
admitted
on a
to the hospital
who
on a
die
guy who died?
less than the proportion of
proportion of patients.
So I think it is supposed
So
to
I
be the
think it is supposed to be the
left-sided one.
left-sided one.
So for
In that other
13,
question.
In that other question.
For 13, it should be D as in dog.
I believe so.
I believe so.
Because it then.
Sentence.
I didn't realize that.
I didn't
before.
realize that
Then
before.
does that change our upper and our lower?
I just thought in the text it only said that you can have different. I didn't know you could have less than.
Less than.
It doesn't make the
It doesn't
p-hats
make
different.
p-hats different.
Okay.
Or the z-score.
Or the z-score.
Okay.
It just changes the
Changes the
p-value.
p-value.
Actually, it doesn't even change the p-value.
p-value.
P-value is the same.
P-value is the same.
What do you have for
What do you have
p-value?
for p-value?
0.043.
0.043.
But no, it should be.
I have
I have
0.022.
0.022.
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
0.022.
Yeah, I have 0.022.
Same. And then when I go
Oh,
to
there
the
it is.
normal,
there it is.
I don't know why.
that does it also.
So reject.
Reject.
Mhm.
Good. So we have sufficient evidence.
So
So C.
I think so.
I think so.
Yeah.
But the problem is it has the option of being equal as well. That's why I thought it was equal. I think you can have this type of thing not equal. Because in the textbook, it says that the null.
It said it could be left tailed, right tailed, or
It did.
yeah, right at the bottom of the very bottom of the chapter. I think it was the very bottom. Or was it? Oh yeah. The null is always P1 equals P2, indicating that there's no difference. The alternative can be left tailed, right tailed.
Okay. I'm good. I guess we'll turn it in.
I'm just gonna put our answers on the side here.
Oh yeah.
And we got 100.
Woot.
100.
Let me just make sure that I got 100. I'm always like, probably did something wrong.
There wasn't a worksheet for the group project.
Well, we can't do anything until we get feedback on our other ones. So
We actually got feedback.
I'm gonna